guys, this is the final look. Welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Urban Decay Naked Cherry look. So guys, I've tested out this palette and here's the final look. But before we get into the video and I show you how to achieve this look, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays and I'd love to have you here. Come on, it's the new year, join the family, get my subscribe account up. Come on guys. Have you subscribed to my channel? You have? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, done my eyebrows and my primer, so I'm just going to go in with my foundation. My foundation is shade 10. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of that and I'm going to blend in with a beauty blender. Okay guys, so I finished with my foundation and I'm now going to go in with my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I love this, use this for every single eyeshadow look. I'm just placing on my eyes and then we're going to blend in with a beauty blender. Okay, taking the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and guys, the colours are absolutely beautiful. Don't know if you guys can see. Sorry, I have to always cover the mirror because behind there's another mirror and then it's like too much. So yeah, it's all kind of like a red burgundy radiance of shades. So yeah, I'm gonna take some deep shades because my outfit today is all glittery and all of that jazz. Going to go in with Privacy, has a base shade and that's just a really burgundy shade. So just gonna put that as a base shade. Okay, and just gonna blend that all in. Okay, all blended in, and then I'm gonna go in with Drunk Doll, which is like a deep metallic burgundy color. Just gonna put that on top of my base shade and give a little metallic look for you guys. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with Young Love on my lash line, which is kind of like a brighter burgundy colour. And it's also metallic as well, so just going to place that on the lash line. Okay guys, so I finished doing everything, so I'm just going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Fixing Spray. And I know it's not Urban Decay, but I just put a bit of the L'Oreal Glitter Fever on my eyes just because it's New Year's Eve and I wanted something different. Just going to rouge my hair up just a little bit more. And guys, this is the final look. And for those of you who wanted to see my outfit of the day for New Year's Eve, I wore this Topshop sequin leather print pink top with this All Saints leather skirt and then my Aqua Zura Pina Colada heels. And yeah guys, I really loved using the palette. I'm not too sure about the foundation. I feel like I look a little bit orange. But the Naked Cherry palette is lovely if you want to do all these kind of reddish, burgundy tones. I feel like a lot of the tones are very similar. They did need a black and a golden tone, which needs to be in any palette regardless. So yeah, that's the only downside of that. But guys, if you like that look, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone could benefit from that look, I'll be happy if you share that look. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below for these products if you want to purchase them. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.